Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue our journey of learning the Korean nature words. In the first two parts of this video series, we already learned a few nature words in Korean language. So let's start with the part third. First one is the Korean word for sky, and that is 하늘. 하늘. Okay, next comes the Korean word for sun. Now in Korean language there are two words used for sun. One is he. It is used in everyday life, and the other one is 태양. It is used in scientific context. Okay, so there are two words for sun. One is he and the other one is 태양. Okay, next comes the Korean word for cliff, and that is 절벽. 절벽. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for moon, and that is 달. 달. Okay, next comes the Korean word for grassland, and that is 초원. 초원. Alright, now let's see how to say star in Korean language, and that is 별. 별. Now let's see how to say beach in Korean language. Here beach has two words in Korean. One is 바닷가 and the other is 해변. Okay, so there are two words you can say beach in Korean language. 바닷가 and 해변. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for petal, and that is 꽃잎. 꽃잎. Next comes the Korean word for rainbow, and that is 무지개. 무지개. Okay. And the last one is the Korean word for cave, and that is 동굴. 동굴. Alright, so today we learned a few Korean words denoted to various nature related terms. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.